Hello, friends! I'm the letter L, and I'm so excited to being part of this wonderful party.
L, L, that's me. In the alphabet, come and see.
I make a sound like lion, lion, leaf, leaf, ladybug, ladybug.
L is for lion, with a mighty roar. L is for leaf, falling to the floor. L is for lighthouse, guiding the way. L is for ladybug, in color so gay.
Lemon, lemon, lamp, lamp.
L is for love, spreading wide and far. L is for laughter like a shining star. L is for lemon, sour and bright. In every word I bring the light.
Now, let's learn how to write me, both as a uppercase and lowercase.
Uppercase.
A straight line down. Now draw a line to the right. L.
Lowercase.
A straight line down. L.
L, L, that's me. In the alphabet, come and see. From lion to ladybug, I'm in the mix. Letter L, let's learn and fix. L, L, that's me. In the alphabet, come and see. From love to lighthouse, I'm the star. Letter L, near and far.
M, that's me. In the alphabet, come and see.
Hey kids, I'm the letter M, and I'm so excited to join your amazing party and tell you all about myself. I make a sound like monkey, monkey, moon, moon, music, music.
M is for moon, shining bright at night. M is for monkey, playful and light. M is for music, a joyful sound. M is for mountain, towering proud.
Muffin, muffin, mouse, mouse.
M is for magic, in the air it swirls. M is for mermaid, with her flowing curls. M is for muffin, warm and sweet. In every word, I bring a treat.
Now, let's learn how to write me, both as an uppercase and a lowercase.
Uppercase.
M,
Lowercase.
M,
M, that's me. In the alphabet, come and see. From moon to mountain, I'm in the mix. Letter M, let's learn and fix.
Hey kids! Enjoyed the video? Show some love by hitting like and subscribing for more awesome learning adventures. Thanks for watching!